Redis gives you two ways to broadcast messages, pub/sub and streams. They look similar but behave very differently, and picking the wrong one can silently drop data in production. Pub/sub is a live broadcast. If nobody is listening when you publish, the message is gone forever. Streams work like an append-only log. Messages persist and any consumer can replay them even hours later. A producer calls XADD to append a message. A consumer group worker calls XRead group to claim it, then must call XACK after processing. If XACK is never called, XPENDING and XClaim let another worker rescue the stale entry. We add two order events with XADD, create two consumer groups, fulfillment, starting at the latest entry and analytics replaying from the beginning. XRead group claims new entries and XACK marks them done. XPENDING shows anything still unacknowledged. When reviewing a pull request, ask, can we afford to lose this message? If not, pub/sub is wrong. Also check that XACK comes after work completes, and that a recovery loop handles pending entries from crashed consumers. Pub/sub is fast and simple but offers zero durability. Streams are your choice for reliable delivery. Persist messages, use consumer groups, always acknowledge after work is done, and recover pending entries from any worker that crashes.